Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Pregnant woman's tummy, one of the rarest cases in the world. Pregnancy is different for every woman who experiences it. While some expectant mothers struggle with morning sickness and general discomfort, others experience a relatively stress-free journey. When newlyweds Bethany and Tim Webb found out they were expectant, they were completely ecstatic. However, when they showed up to their first routine ultrasound, they received the most unexpected news. The Webbs were informed that they weren't about to have one baby, but four. That's right. The couple who had been married less than a year was expecting quadruplets. When the delivery finally came, what transpired was so rare that everyone in the room was in a state of awe. It's a lot to get used to. Four crying babies in need of constant care who look so much alike. It's hard to tell which is which, but for a couple in northern Alberta, they wouldn't have it any other way. Less than 2 months ago, Bethany Webb, 22, made headlines when she gave birth to four naturally conceived, identical baby girls. The babies were delivered by C-section at 33 weeks. Today, they are home and adjusting to their new lives, even if new dad Tim is still reeling. Yep, I still can't believe that there's four of them, he told CTV Edmonton during a visit to the family's home this week. The babies are doing well, growing and adjusting to life at home. I couldn't imagine life without them now that they are here. I don't know what I'd do without them. 7 weeks with them and I can't imagine life without them, says Bethany. In birth order, there's Abigail, the eldest and the tiniest. Emily, the biggest of the four, who is a mix of calm and feisty, Grace with the latest cry, and Michaela, the sleepiest. The Webbs were married only a few months when they learned they were expectant. Their initial excitement quickly turned to panic when an ultrasound revealed how many were on the way. When they actually counted four, I nearly fainted, says Tim. The quadruplets, conceived naturally, were identical, meaning that one egg had split 4 ways. It's a 1 in 15 million event, or rather, 4 in 15 million. The couple is from the northwestern village of Heath, population of 821, located 500 kilometers northwest of Edmonton. The town has been rallying around the young couple, with neighbors coming by to help with diaper changing, feedings, and baths. The couple has been struggling with the costs of the new arrivals and realization that they will be living on a single income for many years to come. They had bought only one crib and had been planning on buying only one car seat. With the news that their family would grow to 6, they needed a new vehicle and a lot more supplies. An online fundraising page was soon set up, which has raised more than $5,000. A few companies have also donated items, including a Canadian Tire that offered up 4 car seats. Then there is the exhaustion of tending to the babies 24 hours a day. I think for the most part the feeding has been the most difficult part, says Bethany. There is definitely nights when it's difficult. The 7-week-olds are also sometimes hard to tell apart, so the couple has started painting the girls' toenails different shades to distinguish them. This is Grace, says Bethany, picking one up and checking her toes. I had to look at the toes or I wouldn't be able to tell them apart. The babies have taken over every nook of the home that Tim grew up in, with closets full of matching outfits, diapers and wipes stacked high, and donated supplies everywhere. Tim's mother, Dame Webb, couldn't be more delighted. It's priceless. These babies are priceless, she says between tears. I really wanted a grandkid, she says, and now she has 4. With plenty of names in the hat, Bethany and Tim finally settled on names for their little angels. Emily, Abigail, Grace, and Michaela. Oh yeah, we should mention that Bethany is actually a bit ecstatic about having 4 daughters, as she didn't have to sacrifice on any names. Quite the upside to quadruplets, huh? It goes without saying, but Bethany and Tim have had their lives uprooted by their identical quadruplets, but it's one of their greatest blessings. Currently, the whole family is living with Tim's mother, so their baby girls are truly getting tons of love and attention. Moreover, all 800-ish residents of Heath, Alberta are pitching in to help the Webb family.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.